Hey, what's going on, guys? Broderick Oltan Jr. here, back with another video. And in this one, we're going to go over how you can start affiliate marketing for free today. You can get started today if you start implementing this strategy in 2019, guys. So these are probably the best tactics that you can use in order to generate free traffic for your affiliate marketing business, guys. I'm going to go with you guys step by step on what you need to do, how you need to do it, and the psychology behind it so you get a full understanding on how this all works, okay? So make sure you stick throughout the whole video, and if you do that, I have a special bonus for those of you who do at the very end of the video, so you want to stick around to the end for that. Now, if this is the kind of stuff that you guys are into, online businesses, online marketing, entrepreneurship, then this is definitely the channel to be following. I push out daily content on ways to make money online, ways to get your business to the next level, ways to market with paid traffic, organic traffic, things like that, so that you can take your business to the next level. All right, so that being said, I invite you guys to hit that subscribe button and go ahead and give me a like if you guys find value in this video. So let's go ahead and just get right into it, guys. So the traffic source that we are going to be using that is a free method is YouTube, guys. YouTube is so powerful, and it is one of the social platforms that you can make the most amount of money with. All right, so YouTube is the number 2 search engine in the world behind Google, guys. So that means there is a shit ton of people that are on YouTube. All right, so you want to be on there. You want to build a business that is on there. Okay, so you have to look at it like this. So it's a free source of traffic. Okay, and if you figure out how to rank properly and you push out enough videos, these are videos that will be selling for you even 5 months, a year, couple years. These are videos that will be continuously selling for you, guys. So the more videos you have of this, the more money that you're going to be able to make. All right, so I want to give you guys an example of what kinds of products that you can promote on YouTube. Okay, so you can promote digital products or you can promote physical products, right? So this works with any kind of product. So if you want to go ahead and choose a physical product to go ahead and promote, there is Amazon, right? Amazon is a beast of a company, right? So there's a ton of people shopping on here, and they have a ton of different kinds of products. They have pretty much any product out there you can name, probably. So any one of those products you can be an affiliate for. Okay, so some products have in the categories have different percentages of how much of a commission you get paid for each sale, but I think electronics is the highest, like around 3% and up. Okay, so around there, 3% and up, you're gonna get the highest paid percentage when you promote electronic products. Okay, so electronical products is definitely the route I would go if I wanted to be an affiliate for a physical product. But don't get me wrong, you can go ahead and be an affiliate for any one of these products. The higher ticket, the more money the product is, the more money you're going to make for each sale. Okay, so you could go ahead and browse around, just sign up to be an Amazon associate. Go at amazonassociates.com and then sign up to be an affiliate that way, or you can go ahead and go over here and I think you can become an affiliate. You just go on the Amazon website and then click right here and it says become an affiliate, and then you apply. Super easy. It's going to ask for a website when you apply. Just simply put in your YouTube channel URL and you'll be good to go. Now, if you want to promote a digital product, you want to go to the affiliate network, clickbank.com. Now there's a whole bunch of digital products in different kinds of niches that you can choose from, guys. So this is what it looks like. So let's just say, for example, I wanted to do, I wanted to go into the health niche and promote health products. I just simply go to clickbank.com, create my account. It's very simple as well too. create my account, and then go over to the marketplace. And as you can see here, there's these are where all the categories are, and then go ahead and click health, and then I have all these amazing products to go ahead and promote. Okay, so it's as simple as just looking at the product, seeing what it's about. You want to sort out the products by gravity or by popularity. Now, what the gravity score means, as you can see down here, gravity score is 239. So this means that in the last month, at least 239 unique affiliates have made at least one sale promoting this product. Okay, so 239 unique affiliates have made money with this product. Okay, so the higher the gravity score, the more success people have. But you have to also look at it is the more people are promoting that product. You don't want to promote products that are like oversaturated. So you want to stay around the range of a gravity score of like 75 to 150. That's like the good range that I like to stay around. So as you can see here, for average sale for this product is going to be $38. So you say you make a YouTube video about fitness, and then you link this product, and if they click on that link and they buy it, you're gonna get $38 just like that, guys. So you're just gonna go ahead and click promote, and then get your affiliate link, and then put it in the description of your channel. So now that we know what we can promote, I'm gonna go over with you guys how to promote these videos. Okay, so these are the main ways, these are the main type of videos that you could create. The main type of videos that you can create, so that people will actually find your product. Okay, the warm audience that I was talking about. So you can do a top 10. So let's say, for example, you're doing electronics. You could do a review on the top 10 laptops, and then have an affiliate link in your description for all 10 laptops. You can do a specific review on a specific laptop. Say if it's like the MacBook Air 2018, you can do a specific review on that, and that is going to be your keyword, and people are going to be searching for that, and the people searching for that are already warm traffic. Okay, so you can do how-to videos. So let's say if we had a like if we had a digital product, and we did a how to lose weight in 2 weeks, or how to lose weight in a month, or how to lose weight doing a specific diet. We can create a video like that, and the people obviously who are looking for that video and find your video are interested in weight loss, and then that's when you could put your affiliate link on the bottom for for them to click on, and then if they buy, and then you get a commission. You can do comparison videos. So you can do a comparison video. You can say like, okay, the Apple iPhone XS compared with the Galaxy S10 or whatever, and you could do a comparison video like that, and then link both of the products in your description below. And the other one is educational videos. So like if you were selling like a digital product, you would go ahead and educate people on that specific topic, and then find a product that's relevant to that niche. Okay, so and then you would just link that in your description, guys. Now, the more videos you make of these, the more sales that you're going to be able to generate, and this is completely free, utilizing the #2 search engine in the world. Once you create a video, guys, you have to understand it is going to be up there for people to find. And it could be, like I was saying, like a week from now, today, or tomorrow, or a couple months, or even a couple years, somebody's going to find that video, and let's say they do, and they buy, from your affiliate link, you're just going to get a commission just like that, guys. So this is passive income once you've already set this up, guys. So the more videos you make, the more quality videos you make, guys, the more you're going to be able to make with this. All right, so this is the best way to do affiliate marketing for free in 2019, guys. Create these videos, start getting comfortable. You can do videos where you don't have to be on camera. You can do like PowerPoint presentation stuff, put pictures, and just talk. You can talk over, voice over, and things like that. Or if you want to build a real brand, let's say you wanted to build a real fitness brand off of this and make real money, You would put yourself on camera and then do a whole bunch of, fitness videos and then link your affiliate product on the bottom, right? And then get affiliate sales that way. And the bigger your channel grows, the more sales you're going to be able to make, guys. So it's as simple as that. That's how you get started with affiliate marketing completely for free, and it is honestly the best way to start affiliate marketing for free, guys. So for those of you who stuck around till the end of this video, I really appreciate you guys, and I have a bonus for you guys. So this is obviously the free way to do it. And there are ways to do affiliate marketing and take it to the absolute next level and to turn it into a real automated business so that you collect assets, and you actually build a real brand from it. I have a free 4-day training down below that you can access that's completely free. And inside of there is a whole bunch of bonuses where I train you guys on, sales funnels, building an email list, like driving paid traffic, a whole bunch of different kinds of traffic methods, and a whole done for you, pretty much 90% done for you business that I'm handing to you guys if you choose the opportunity to work with me. And all of that is down below, guys. So it is definitely something you need to go ahead and check out, guys. So go ahead and click that link down below, my free 4-day training, and then get the free 4-day training, and then get my and work with me personally, guys. I'd love the opportunity to work with you guys and help you build a real business online. So that being all said, I hope you guys got some value from here. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you guys did, and stay tuned because I'm pushing out content like this on a daily basis. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you guys hopefully inside of the free training, guys. Take care for now.